Let all mortal flesh keep silence, and with fear and trembling stand. Ponder nothing earthly minded, for with blessing in his hand, Christ our God to earth descending, our full homage to demand. King of kings, yet born of Mary, as of old already stood, Lord of lords in human vesture, in the body and the blood, he will give to all the faithful his own self for heavenly food. At his feet the 6-winged seraph, cherubim with sleepless eye, veil their faces to the presence, as with ceaseless voice they cry, Alleluia, 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 Lord Most High. Alleluia, 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 Lord Most High.